Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. So in this video we want to take a look at my preferred Elliott Wave count short term, the short term bearish and the short term bullish case for Bitcoin. Bear in mind, that's what I highlighted in the last few days again and again, is that they are both part of an overall bullish scenario. So it's literally just a question at the moment if we see a deeper pullback into the yellow support area and go up then, or if we go up directly. This is currently how I see it, and we need to look at this structure now that you can see on the screen, and we can see that first of all we're going to cover my preferred count, which is the short-term bearish one. Then we take a look at the short-term bullish one. Bear in mind that yes, one is bearish, one is bullish, but again, this is only short-term, and there is a very clear pivot point that will decide between a direct downside move for Bitcoin into the region around 25 to 24k and a move up that could even reach here around about 30k. So we're going to take a look at that now. At the moment, Bitcoin is moving in this descending price channel. If you've been watching the previous videos, you know about this price channel. I see the move to the downside at the moment as a W, X, Y structure, and then as an A wave in wave Y, a B wave in wave Y, which might have topped, and a C wave which would follow. Alternatively, and these are both part of the short-term bearish scenario, but it doesn't make a great difference in the short term. Alternatively, this is not an ABC structure, which would result in the C wave in a 5-wave move down. It could also just be a W, X, Y structure. And if the Y wave consists itself out of a WXY structure, then the move down may not be that deep. Okay, so just be aware of that, but that is in the very short term completely irrelevant. So let's go into the detail here. And what we can see is Bitcoin pushing higher closer towards our resistance area. So that's sort of what we were looking for earlier today and yesterday, that I said, okay, most likely this move to the downside of the 29th of May high is finished. So we're looking here at a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5. Yesterday morning we were like, okay, maybe wave 4 is still ongoing, but as the structure developed throughout the day, I said, probably not. Probably we finished here the wave 5, and we're now in a wave 2. So it seems to be playing out right now. We are getting closer to the resistance area. This is the resistance and target area for the wave 2 between 27,498 and 28,056, plus minus a few dollars depending on your exchange. Yeah. What we can see here is that in this wave 2 we're pushing higher currently. There is a very interesting and important level that you should be aware of, which is basically here, this area that currently is relevant where price is finding resistance. It's not one particular price point, but it's sort of the area around 27,350, 340, where we had rejection here on the 1st of June, rejection here on the 2nd of June, rejection here, again, 2nd of June yesterday, and today. We are trying to break through, yeah? So Bitcoin is trying to push against the ceiling here, trying to push higher. That's, again, not surprisingly, or not a surprise in the wave 2. In fact, already highlighted a few days ago on the way down on Telegram and Discord in the Signals channel that if we get those 5 waves down complete, we expect a deeper pullback, a bit more of a relief rally to the upside. We've got a bit of an inverse head and shoulders here as well, with a left shoulder, head, right shoulder. I don't like these patterns, but they are, when I see them, I highlight them. And the reason I expected a bit of a relief rally was just that whenever you have 5 waves down complete, and it doesn't matter if this is an A wave, this is a B wave, and we come down in C, or if this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you would expect a bit of a relief rally. And ideally, typically in such a wave 2, that would take place or would rally into the area between the 50% and the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level. Now looking at the deep detail here, and by the way, this scenario with another sell-off is basically likely as long as price doesn't go above the pivot point at 28,056. A sustained break above that level will make immediate downside less likely, far less likely. and it would be completely invalidated with a break above 28,480. So Elliott Wave gives us these very clear objective levels. If we break above that level, then we simply have a reset of the B wave first. That would be my assumption then. But this is the short-term bullish count, right? Just a reset of the B wave higher. But in the primary count, we now want to understand how could this be unfolding here on the lower time frame really. So there's a few options. At the moment, I'm watching this wave 2 unfold as a ABC maybe, yeah, which would indicate A wave done, B wave to the downside. I go to the 30-minute chart, by the way. Yeah, and then here a mini possible 5-wave move up. It's not a reliable one. Looks to me more like a 3-wave structure to the upside, but if it's a 5-wave, it would be the wave 1 of wave C. This could be a wave 2 of wave C. But to be honest, to me it looks more like a possible, again, another WXY structure, just a very messy one. And you know, this can easily change in a correction. I mean, we're now on the 30-minute chart. This is not reliable. Just highlighting here options. We have a 3-wave move up into resistance here basically. So now we seem to want to break through. So it would have been likely after 3 waves up to see a bit of a move down and then up, but doesn't seem to want to do it. So it seems like it wants to push through straight away, and then we should see a reaction somewhere in this resistance area. Yeah, that's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.